Okay, hello guys. I'm Rio, and we are in our part two of the series PHP JQuery. So we're just gonna continue where we left off. So the one we have done um, on the last part, we have displayed the hello guys from the home underscore main.php to our index using our jQuery JQ post with the JQ document ready. So in this part, we're going to set up our Bootstrap 5 and we're gonna start designing our uh, my portfolio little project. Okay. So what to do first? So we're going to set up first the Bootstrap 5. So let's search here Bootstrap 5. Then let's go with the introduction to Bootstrap 5, then introduction, then here. So as you can see here, we can just copy paste the link here for our CSS, or we can do it for the offline. So here we're just going to copy the CDN. Okay, this one. Paste it here. So we got the CDN for the Bootstrap 5. Then in our assets, we're gonna create a new folder. Ano, yeah, folder. We're just gonna create a new folder here. Ano, not in the JS, but in the actual assets, CSS. Then we're gonna add the bootstrap mean.css. Gonna add the file here. Okay, good. And also we're gonna add here our own style.css. Okay. So in the bootstrap mean.css, we're gonna copy paste this one. Okay, then done, save. So it is done there. Then we're gonna have to copy I'm gonna put it in our index.php. So in the head, because all the links are in the head. So we're gonna put here link with source, link with SRs, link with CSS, this one. So style href. So we're gonna put here the href, which is the assets. Just copy this one, put it there, and instead of JS, CSS, then copy this one, rename, then paste it here. Okay, let's check if it works. Okay, let's have a look in our dev tools and network. Okay, let's try to refresh. And yeah, it is red and not modified. So that's good. Okay, so it is working. Next is in our introduction to Bootstrap, we're going to put the JS or the script, the Bootstrap bundle that mean.js. So it is needed as well in our Bootstrap framework. So again, the same steps. We need to copy the source. Okay. Then paste it here. Okay, we have the Bootstrap bundle that mean.js. So we're gonna put another file here, the same name with this one. Just copy paste. Sorry, sorry about that. Um, okay. So we just need to copy paste this one and paste. Okay, good. Then the same with the script. We just need to put it there as well. So CSS. Then of course we need to copy paste this one. Rename. Copy paste. and put it there, paste. Okay, let's try again. Let's see our dev tools if it is working. Okay, there's something wrong. It says here not found. Why is it not found? Assets. Ah, okay, it is supposed to be JS as well. Sorry, my bad. Okay, good. So it is up and running, so it's good. So let's go back to our introduction to Bootstrap. Then, okay, okay, sorry about that. So, let's continue. So it says here, if you go separate with separate script solutions, a popper must come first. So this one is a bundle, and this one is different popper and min.js. So I guess we don't need this one. Okay, so let's try our Bootstrap. So let's go first here in our main, and let's try to change this text into Bootstrap basics. So basic components. So let's go here to components. Then okay, let's try. Wait, is it? Ah, okay. Let's go with the typography content first. So we're gonna try this one if it is working. So H1, H2, H4. Wait, let's go with with the designs. I mean the color part. Nah, anyways, you can find it here if you want to have a design of your like this one. We can try this one, I guess. So we just need to copy paste this one, copy paste, save, then let's try. See? So it's working. Wow. Okay. So as you can see there, a well-known code contained something. Okay, good. It is working. So let's try to delete that one. Okay, refresh. So here on out, we're gonna have to design our navigation here. So if we go here in our components, we can go to navbar, and then we're gonna have to do something like this. Okay, but with the search bar. Let's see if this has a search bar. No, I don't have one. This one. Or, rather than going here in our Bootstrap 5 na introduction website, we can just type it here. But first, we're not gonna type here in our main home main because this is the main display for the home page. So we're gonna go with the navigation. So we're just gonna put here an H1 that says home page. Okay. Then in the navigation, we're gonna add like this. Okay. So we're gonna add a file here that says nav that not .js rather nav.php. Okay, then here in our index we just need to copy something here above, then we're gonna put here nav nav content. Okay, then here in our nav php we're just gonna try first to display it, so h1 navigation. Okay, then in our global.js we're gonna not gonna put it in our document ready first because we want to design first the um we're gonna design first the navigation. So again, the same with this, we're just gonna have to copy this one, then you just put there to navigation. Then of course we're gonna change the URL for us to navigate to that navigation. So navigation, and then nav dot php. Okay, let's try. Oh yeah, I didn't put the function inside the doc ready, and it is not working. Let's see why it is not working. Okay, home main.php. The index is saved. Let's just close this one. Okay, why is it not working? Let's empty. Yeah, there. So sometimes, because of too much cache in our web browser, we just need to empty in hard reload. Okay. Anyways, as you can see, it is working now. The nav.php. We can now design the navigation here using our Bootstrap framework. Okay, we use Bootstrap 5. Oh yeah, we need to change the specific div we're gonna put the navigation because we might put it inside our content. Okay, so let's go back to our global.js, and here in our jQuery selector, we just need to change that one to nav content. Okay, there. So it is above. You cannot see it now, but if I'm gonna put the dashboard here, the dashboard should be below the see, so below the home page. Okay. Anyways, to fully experience the navigation here above, let's go to our nav.php. So we're gonna put a bootstrap component which is already given or made by Bootstrap itself for us um, to just put it there, and then automatically we have navigation. Okay. So to do that in our VS Code, if you have the okay, we're gonna find it extension Bootstrap 5. Okay, here Bootstrap 5. I guess this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, this Bootstrap 5. You just need to download this one for your VS Code. Then automatically you will have snippets of Bootstrap 5. So let's go back here in our navigation.php, and we're gonna implement the component of navigation, navbar rather. So we're gonna put here bs I don't know b5, then navbar. There we have different tabs, external and navbar. Anyways, we're gonna try it all. So save here, there. So you can see we have our navbar, right? So let's try the other two. So b5 navbar, external, save, there. So that's also a navbar, but yet it's the purpose for the contents. So yeah, let's try to try the other one. Save it, delete. So b5 bar navbar. Yeah, only two of them. Okay. So let's go with the navbar. Okay, just for this example. So as you can see, we have our navigation. So we have the search bar and the home links and the A links, the A tags, which we can use for our um, navigation for our website. So let's remove some of the navigations here because our pages is only home and about us. So let's remove the two of them. Okay, save. Let's see. There. So in our first link, we're just gonna use. Oh yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. The next link would be about us or about me. Let's just say about because this is my portfolio, of course. So there, about me. Then the search bar, I'm just gonna have to make it as a like yeah. Let's not have a search bar because it's not usable yet. But if you want to, you can just retain it there. But as if for me, I just want the home and the nav bar. Okay. Then here in our this one, we can put it as a you can put any design on it, your choice. I'm gonna put my portfolio. Okay, save. See, so it's cool, right? So my portfolio and like that. So I guess we're done with our Bootstrap setup because we have done our component and our um, pages and the nav bar navigation. So that's how you do setups for your Bootstrap 5 in your PHP jQuery project, and for your as well if you put the navigation. So um, the next part would be for the functionalities of this links, which we can change pages to pages. So we're using single page website. We're gonna do single page websites. So it's I mean single page view SPVs websites rather. Okay. So see you in the next part of this little project of ours, my portfolio. Okay.